Well, we're doing best boater challenge in what is it called? Oh, what is it called?
How to build a boat or
Yeah. Okay, yeah. To
build a
build a
boat for
boat,
treasure?
we're doing PvP. Start, start it.
Okay.
Oh, someone joined.
Why do we have 5 minutes?
You put it at 5 minutes.
Oops. Well, this will be more fun.
Oh gosh.
Dude, we'll have so much time to build good stuff.
Yeah. Oh gosh, you're gonna destroy me. Cause you actually know how to play this game. You don't sweat it anymore, but you used to.
I used to. I'm trash at it still. I don't know if rockets are enabled. And I forget how to use rockets, kind of.
Um, I got my basic build down so far. I just
Mine's pretty long. I wish you could, like, fill in places between.
okay.
I wish there was a command for that, like, /fill in or something. I don't know.
I think no, that's like the scale tool, right? Annie, I called what's his name? Supa.
Yeah?
He was saying that there's like a scale tool or something in the shop. I don't think you could use it for this, but it can like fill in spots. Like it can like scale things up. Okay, almost done with this epic build.
Oh, you can stretch the size of blocks. This costs 5,000 gold though. I don't have that much. How much gold do you have?
Like 2,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I only have 284.
I'm a royal member though, so you have to.
Uh,
What do you do in England where you, if like, I don't know, what would you do if you saw?
Part of the royal family or something.
Yeah,
The royal guard.
would you like just drink more tea?
Huh?
Me not make being funny. Uh, me trying to waste the time and then like it being some wait.
Dude, I'm gonna beat you.
Why did you
I'm
make it
almost done.
5 minutes long? I'm so bored.
Dude, I have so much time.
Is that?
And I'm kind of close to being done. I've only used 50 blocks so far.
I don't know how much I've used. I'm just like layering out the back bits. Like,
I'm gonna use rockets so I can really beat you. And it'll feel good.
oh, you're just gonna like race to the end?
Yep. What else do you do in this game?
Well, PvP.
Who gives a heck about that, man?
Me.
Who gives a heck about you, man?
PvP.
Huh?
No one. No one likes me. That's why I have like,
What just happened to my button? Eee.
never say that again, please. That's.
Why does my... Mmm.
What are you doing?
I'm reading. Because my thing's not working. Bro, work. Work. Oh my god. I'm gonna start reading soon.
Yeah.
Bro, work. 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 Work.
Okay, now we do the memes. Okay. Let's put some of these down, and then let's put some of like these down, and one more, and then we can put that down, and we can put like a. Ah, no, that's not a good idea. Let's put those down. We can.
Yo, I don't even know anymore. I'm not even actually close. Why did I do this?
Don't look across over here.
Dude, my thing looks super bad.
I'm building like a wall. Hehe. That's funny. Hehe. That's an original joke.
What about you?
Look at my 5 win flex. Wow.
Why did not place my cookie wheel? I'm gonna start reading. Yes, cookie wheel works.
5 win flex.
Why is my cookie wheel not working? Yo, attach.
funny.
Cookie wheel, come on.
Look how funny this is.
Bro, my cookie wheels won't work.
Oof.
I'm gonna. Why is my stuff not working?
I don't know.
Oh, someone turned
15
off
seconds.
vehicle use. I have nothing on my thing. I'm gonna lose.
I'm gonna win.
Balloon time.
I'm memeing at this point. Run back.
Bro, it's time for balloons.
Just-
Let's go.
Is that you?
Yeah, I'm the best. I forgot we couldn't use.
There's some other dude. That's me. Memeing.
What'd you make?
This.
No fair.
I just got bored. Can I say?
I mean nothing. Dude, if I.
What is this guy doing?
Heck? Bro, where is this guy even?
Where is he? Yeah, is he just sitting in his throne? Like, what does he do? What?
Dude, I have a bunch of balloons. Come at me, bro. And I have a rocket, but I can't.
Yeah, see
use
my rotor
vehicle
under there?
to,
It's
like-
gonna.
Yeah,
It's
it didn't
not
make
gonna
my
work.
thing work.
I feel like my rotor's not gonna be able to move
Me win.
this thing. Back up. Can I back up?
Yes, sir.
Can. Okay. Now can I like? Let's use.
Win. Crap. I made my rocket backwards.
Wait, I have an idea.
I'm stuck on ground.
I'm gonna ambush this dude. This fake dude. That's not supposed. Oh gosh.
I'm stuck on my base.
I'm gonna
Oh, and
try.
I'm gonna win.
I'm not so sure.
Why am I stuck? Oh, and come help me. Grapple hook me or something.
I'm trying to kill this dude. This poser who's not supposed.
Bully.
Guy. Ah. Oh no. Oh no. Yikes. He just. Oh. The heck. Should we just like. Stop? Can you. Can I aim, please? Can you. What?
Dude, if I didn't make my rocket backwards, I would have just rammed into you guys.
You put it backwards?
Yeah. So
I need to kill
went
this
onto
guy.
the ground.
Come on, die. Dude, die!
Did you die?
No, I'm trying to kill this dude.
Dude, I'm literally behind my spawn point.
Are you just dying?
I'm gonna watch me win, honestly.
You probably could, yeah.
If you guys die, I win.
But what if we get to the end and we win?
Yeah, but then I'll get. Did
I
that
kill him?
other green guy die? Or
Oh, no.
whatever color?
He's blue, I think. I just like jumped him.
Oh, I don't see him anymore. Oh, they're dead. We're winning.
Okay, now I'm gonna go back to kill you.
Did it kill me?
Yep.
That's gonna take you a while.
Yeah, I need to get all the way back. Yeah.
Why does rocket boost not refill?
Why did I make a giant?
Haha.
This is the worst boat ever. It's so slow. Why didn't I just make the
my
meta?
boat into the water. Go in the water, buddy.
Don't die. Don't die. You need to have
I'm doing.
like one of them whales that actually don't do that. That's would that be considered?
Booga booga. Where are you?
I'm coming for you.
On me, no see you.
I see you. Why are you? What? I'm so laggy. Oh my gosh.
Wait, I might win if you get kicked.
No.
I'm hiding. You can't find me.
Well, there's a white dot that tells me where you are.
No.
Yes, I have cannon. What are you doing back there?
Ah.
Boom. What? What is this?
Nope.
What is
It's
this?
super slow. I can. Oh shoot! That hit the tree. I'm the Lorax. I speak for the trees.
La.
But trees are also my cover. You can't hit me.
I can come up on land, boy.
Oh crap.
I can move on land. What?
What?
Excuse this. Game. Excuse me. This is annoying.
Can I tap on your cannons? I wonder.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh run!
Yes, give me it.
You take damage from that?
Nope.
What? This is This is so annoying. Well, that didn't give you damage.
Me win! Me win! Ah!
I'm in first place.
Believe.
I'm in first place, so I'm gonna win.
4, 5, or 3.
Oh, I
Not
just
if I can swim faster than you. 2, 1.
yes.
Dang it!
Let's go. 6 wins.
Come here, boy.
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
Dude, I'm gonna just hijack this person's, like, boat. Oh, and help me hijack that person's boat. Give me up. You bully. Oh, and no bully. Ah!
Yes.
Oh, and help
Oh
me.
no. I will be a hero. Hero. You made it. Okay. Oh no, I know what you're gonna do.
I'm hiding so you can't shoot me. Ah!
No!
Ah, you oof. You literally hit me.
Okay, let's reset. Let's not make the build time 5 minutes though.
Dude, my boat is still on my land. I'm gonna make the...
What?
Wait, no! I have to get rid of my boat that was on land because it made me clear all my blocks.
This is gonna be interesting. Join.
Dude, I can't. I have to clear all my blocks.
This is gonna be
I have my
interesting.
entire boat on land.
Right here, that's gonna be like, what? You're gonna be like, you're gonna get.
Dude, make it like 5 seconds for the build time or something.
I don't think.
Or make it the lowest it can be.
Okay, yeah, I did. I was already gonna do that.
Yes!
I know what I'm gonna do. We just need to do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 3. So one there. One there. Put one like that.
Dude, I'm making the best vehicle.
And then my tree. Oh gosh. Then-
Oh shoot.
Okay. 15 seconds. Excuse me?
Oh shoot. Oh, and actually maybe it wasn't a good idea that we made it that.
Come on, pass it down. Yes. My boat's still OP. You're like, what? What is this nonsense?
Aha!
What is this? This will destroy you.
Mine's better than yours.
It's just gonna be
I'm
what you
gonna win.
block. Wait.
Hee.
Yeah, we did the same thing. We did the same thing. Except I had better block.
No. Well, you can, like, turn. I can't.
Oh wait,
That's the only
really?
difference. Yeah, I can't.
And there's just someone zooming down right there.
Dude, wait, I have the advantage because I can see you from, like, straight on.
Oh no, you're just gonna like blast me immediately.
Yeah, I have 2 cannons, bruh. Where are you?
Whatever shall you do? Whatever
Get sniped.
shall I do?
Me snipe you.
Yeah, don't snipe me, please. Don't do that. Please don't. Ooh.
We're doing no scopes nice right here now.
Yeah, I'm not
man.
even out yet. I'm just chilling back here. I haven't even.
Come here, boy.
It worked. You can't shoot that, so I'm gonna be behind you.
Come here. Owen.
Are you just gonna wait? Are you gonna?
I already grapple hooked.
Yeah, but I'm gonna. You don't realize something. I'm gonna
I see
shoot
you.
you immediately.
No, wait, my grapple hook has a slowdown. Ow, I shot myself.
No. Haha, I'm behind you now. Hehe.
I can still win if I... Yes, what the heck is my grappling hook doing?
Is it killing you?
I might die. I might die.
You're just blowing yourself up.
Yeet. Ow! I harpooned myself.
Yes.
Ah!
Did I win?
I'm trying to shoot you right now.
Yes! Let's go! Let's go! 7 wins!
Bruh, I'm just... Dude, do
Yes!
that again, I dare you.
Yes!
Make it that much. Make it that much time again, Owen, I dare you.
Let's go!
Owen, I'm gonna beat you.
No!
Owen,
Get to
Owen,
land.
join the thing.
No! I got to land, but I'm dead.
Owen, join.
Yeah, I just died trying to survive, but I failed because I fail at everything in life except for winning. That sounds really weird.
When did you join?
Yep, join.
I
I didn't join!
What?
I'm gonna build it over here. There's just someone flying. It's Superman. Okay, I'm gonna build it over here so I can just wait. Okay. This is called Speedrun Build-A-Boat. With Dream.
With Dream. Who's a Dream here? Me or you, Owen?
I beat.
Oh, and I'm making I'm making a complete troll thing. Where is my little like sitting place? I need a sitting place.
Oh no, 15 seconds! Oh my gosh. Oh, that ended so quickly. Oh my god, but I got it off, I think. Can I sit down? Can I sit down? With 5 seconds. Can I sit down? Okay, 2 seconds. Throw me in.
Yes, sir.
What the? Oh my gosh, so many cannons. Oh my gosh. Are you even gonna see me? I'm right there. I built it in the corner. I don't know why I ran that far. Because I spent like 30 seconds running over there.
I still have to get inside of my thing. I have to sit. There we go.
You have
If
15
you notice,
seconds.
I only did half of my cannon.
What?
Half of my thing is done.
5 seconds.
Yes, sir. I got the propeller thing.
3 seconds.
For both.
2, 1. Start. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Wait, have the cannon shoot myself.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't have done that.
Whatever. The cannons do like no damage to me. Ow. Ow. Yes, screw you.
Ow.
I'm able to like actually attack you now.
No, no, no,
Hello,
no, no,
Owen.
no, you turn.
Come back here. I'm sorry.
No.
Why is mine so slow?
This is just like weird.
Snipe.
You missed.
Come here, Owen.
You got abs.
Come here, Owen.
Yes.
What?
Wait.
That doesn't make sense. I
Did
have
I-
cannons blocking me.
Wait. I one shot you.
Wait, how though? You hacker! Who's a hacker?
No, I hit you head on with my cannon. I headshotted you with my cannon. I play Minecraft every day. Like
Okay,
blew up your entire
do another
bro.
PvP.
You only have one cannon left. And there was one.
Oh, and join.
No, I'm trying to survive on your raft that just broke in half.
Dude, do it. Come on, bro. Come.
I died. Oh my gosh, though.
Are you seriously doing the boss fight?
There's a boss fight?
Oh, when?
Shh, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm in.
Bro, you left the server.
I'm
Oh,
in.
No, you didn't. Okay.
I'm in the
start it.
thing. Start it. What are you talking about?
You have to start the challenge, beast.
Oh, start. I thought you started. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oop. Oh no, I messed up. No, don't do that. That could be copyrighted. You don't know. Wait, I was singing it too.
I'm gonna copyright you, Owen.
What? Wait, you're gonna.
I'm making a raft. Why is someone trying to join my team?
I'm just building the same thing over and over again.
Dude, that's annoying. Come on, bro. You gotta
But
have fun.
it works so well.
Do it, though.
Every time, pretty much, except for that one time I lost.
Wait, I need buttons. Where are buttons? Where are you buttons? Wait, no, I actually need buttons.
15
because-
seconds, and I'm already done. Can I sit down? Yeah. Sit down. Come on. I can't sit. What the heck? Let me sit. What? I can't sit. I'm not sitting. I literally can't sit. Why is it letting me sit? Did I build the cannons too close to it or something? Like now the fact that what am I doing? I need to sit down.
Dude, stop building over there.
I'm not. I'm trying to sit. Why am I? I did build over there. Can I sit down, please? I have 15 seconds to sit in my chair. Come on. No.
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 No sitting.
Come on. Ugh. You gotta win here because I can't sit in my chair. Are you kidding me? What? What? No, no, no. I'm not even on my boat. No, no. Please let me sit. Please let me sit.
Ah! I got flung. I got flung.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, when I got flung out of the map.
Wait, what? What?
got
I
flung
won?
out of the map.
I was gonna lose. Wait, can I, if I do that, can I sit? No, I can't.
Wait, Owen, I got flung out of the map. That's how I lost.
I won. I don't know
Owen,
if I won, but I did.
Owen, join the PvP.
I was gonna lose. If you did not get flung out of the map.
Dude, I literally lit the wrong cannon, and I blew up my rocket while it was ignited, so it was uneven. Okay, are you in, Owen?
Start. I'm the urine team, I just realized. I urinate on bicycle seats. It's a hobby. Don't ask.
I already have questions. Owen, you're only allowed to use 3 blocks.
Too late.
Bruh.
I'm a.
Okay, fine. You can use more than 3 blocks. Cause
I'm building my same meta.
special.
I'm building my meta.
You build the same base every time.
Yep. That would be the thing. So let's see if it works. Can I sit in it?
Mine is very strange.
I can't sit in it. Oh, I can, okay. If I do this. Wait, I need this in my life, I need this in my life.
Give me in. Yes.
What are you doing? What is this? What is that? What is that? What is that? Why is Slenderman just attacking you in a car? TNT.
Let's go, I have a car.
A boom boom boom. A boom boom boom.
Wait, that car actually might help me.
Oh, no, it won't. No, you're not 16 yet. It will put you in jail. That's not gonna help you, mate.
Why the heck is a person here? Bruh, go away. Oh! Wait, no, he's gonna bully me. Wait, it's my friend that joined my game.
Ooh, I didn't know you have friends. That's why I don't get friends, because, you know. Oh my gosh, bro. What the heck? Wait, I won? You died.
Because I accidentally made my rocket on top of my, thing, so I was not sitting on the rocket when it went off.
I just saw the rocket go boom.
Okay, Owen, are you in the PvP?
I'm dying. Because I won again. Why did you stop winning? I have 10.
Dude, I have a good player on my team, though. Are you in, Owen?
What, you're cheating?
No.
No, I can't
Owen, are you in?
anymore.
Owen, are you in?
Yeah.
Okay. We got this.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so scared. Okay, just time to build the same thing ever again and again and again.
Time to make a car.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Super.
Oh wait, this guy has the thing where he can build stuff really quickly.
No. No, he doesn't. Stop cheating.
Yes, he does.
No.
You're gonna get default danced on, man.
No, that's lying. That's a lie. I'm gonna just probably have to hide.
No cap.
I'm hiding and hiding.
Wait, what? How are we already almost out of time?
I know, right? This is lies. This has gotta be illegal. This has gotta be illegal in some country somewhere.
No!
What is that?
You're dead, Owen.
In 1 minute? What?
Wait,
I'm so mad. Literally me. Literally me.
where are you?
Why? Why? Why though?
He's gonna...
I'm literally getting
We're gonna
goosebumps.
demolish you.
I'm about to get bullied. Guys, if you want to see Funjo 11 get bullied, like button 3, 2,
Yes, sir.
go.
Oh, shoot!
Oh my gosh!
He's flying us to victory.
No, stop it. Stop cheating. You cheater. It's just so unfair. I'm just playing like TNT barrel with cannons, and this is what happens to my soul.
You're too good. Wait, he jumped off. No, how did we lose?
Let's
We
go!
were at the
Let's
end.
go! It's the curse! You got cursed! Jazz, you're cursed!
Wait, Owen, we're still in first place until
Not
you
cured.
get to... Owen, we're still in first until you get to where we were.
Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Not good, not good. Well, okay. I might actually make it, just not in 4 minutes. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Oh no, that's not good. That's a not good thing. Okay, I got him through there. Oh! Holy! Holy baloopadoopadoops. Baloopadoopadoops. Oh, can I just go through here? Ah! 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 Oh no. Yeah, you won? I'm losing. I'm dying. Like, I literally, my boat got launched off the area, so I had to run the rest of the way. And where were you? Which level? Because I'm at the movie area. The movie area. With the popcorn and the movies and the hammers that slap you in the face. And take off my hat. Now you can't look, guys. You can't look. You can't see me without my sensor bar because my face is very inappropriate. Don't know why it is, but it is. No! Not at the baseball game. Ah! Well, whoever's batting is pretty good at batting, not gonna lie. Because, like, they're hitting every single hit, and someone's really great at throwing with the glove, because I've never seen anyone throw with the glove, but that's gotta be a glove, right? Oh, no, that's a hand. That's a hand. Okay, good. I was gonna say, there's no way that's a glove, right? Well, I'm running. Hopefully I'll speed this bit up in the video, because this is, yeah. I'm like, not even that close. Oh yeah, you guys are, oh gosh. Why? Why is he so good at video games? Oh no, I died. I died, you win.
Yes, we won.
No. No. Why is there wall like that? No. Why is there a train? Take me to the win, please. Ugh. Next up, win. Dang it. I'm gonna second place trophy.